'cause I'm in love with you.
Daidaiiro didn't die a hero. He died violent, young, and desperate, just like we all knew he'd die someday. Daidaiiro Winston wanted to be dead, and he always got what he wanted.
Ref! Do something! Do something, Ref!
I am happy because I want to die.
Everybody here is Ray?
Ray Ayanami.
Who is Ray Ayanami?
Poems, but I'm about throwing parties. Think you should come to my party and put your hands up. I think we're totally different, but opposites do attract. Maybe we're so meant to be, just you and me. Cause people say we're...
It's a bitch convincing people to